Welcome to Health Fact 10M.
Have you noticed your thighs getting smaller, your knees aching more often, or your balance not quite what it used to be? If that sounds familiar, don't worry, you're not alone. These are early warning signs that your lower body muscles are beginning to lose strength, something that naturally happens as we age. You've probably heard the common advice, just walk 10,000 steps a day. And yes, walking is wonderful for your overall health. But here's the truth. Walking alone isn't enough to rebuild the muscle strength you've already lost. It keeps you active, but it doesn't challenge your muscles in a way that helps them grow stronger again. When your leg muscles weaken, simple activities, standing up, climbing stairs, or even keeping your balance, start feeling harder. What begins as a little unsteadiness can turn into dangerous falls over time, and those falls can affect your independence and quality of life. Doctors even have a saying, death begins in the legs. It might sound dramatic, but it's true. Strong legs are the foundation of an active, healthy, and confident life, especially after 50. The good news? You can absolutely turn things around. Today, I'll show you 5 powerful home exercises that help restore leg strength, stability, and mobility. No gym, no fancy machines, just simple movements that really work. These exercises target your thighs, glutes, calves, and core muscles, the key areas that help you move safely and confidently every day. Stick with them, and you'll start feeling stronger, steadier, and more capable in your daily life. Before we begin, let's make it personal. Drop your name and the city you're watching from in the comments below. Let's see where our strong community is tuning in from. Exercise 1. Isometric Glute Bridge. We'll start with one of the simplest looking yet most effective exercises, the isometric glute bridge. At first, it might seem too easy. After all, you're just lying down and lifting your hips, right? But don't be fooled. This move is pure gold for rebuilding strength in your glutes, hamstrings, and lower back. This exercise targets what's known as the posterior chain, the powerful muscles that run along the back of your body and keep you upright, balanced, and strong. As we age and spend more time sitting, these muscles weaken, leading to back pain, hip stiffness, and reduced mobility. The isometric glute bridge reverses that. When you lift your hips and hold them up, your glutes and core stay fully engaged. That constant tension builds strength and endurance, even without movement. How to do it? Lie flat on your back with knees bent and feet hip-width apart. Keep your arms relaxed at your sides. Slowly lift your hips until your body forms a straight line from shoulders to knees. Squeeze your glutes, engage your core, and hold for 10 to 20 seconds. Lower down slowly and repeat. As you get stronger, aim for 30 to 60 seconds per hold. This move is joint-friendly, no strain on your knees or ankles. You can do it anywhere, on a mat, the floor, or even your bed. To make it harder, try lifting one leg off the ground, single leg bridge, or place your feet on an elevated surface for deeper engagement. The isometric glute bridge improves strength, posture, circulation, and even hip flexibility. It's a simple yet powerful move that helps you stand taller, move better, and feel younger. Exercise 2. Standing calf raises. Next, let's focus on a muscle group that's often overlooked, your calves. These small but powerful muscles are the base of your strength and balance. Every time you walk, climb stairs, or stand on your toes, your calves are hard at work. But most people ignore them, and that's a big mistake. Weak calves can lead to poor balance, ankle instability, and even falls. Strong calves, on the other hand, keep your steps stable and confident. How to do it? Stand tall with feet hip-width apart. Slowly lift your heels off the floor, rising onto the balls of your feet. Hold for a second, then lower down gently. You'll feel the squeeze in your calves. Start with 10 to 15 reps, then build up to 20 or more. To increase difficulty, do one leg at a time or use a step to extend your range of motion. This simple move also improves circulation, reduces swelling, and keeps your legs energized throughout the day. You can do calf raises anywhere, while brushing your teeth, cooking, or waiting for your coffee. Small effort, big results. Exercise 3. Bulgarian split squat. Now it's time for one of the most powerful leg exercises, the Bulgarian split squat. Don't be intimidated by the name. It's simply a single leg squat variation that builds strength, balance, and coordination. Unlike regular squats, this version works one leg at a time, which helps fix strength imbalances that naturally develop as we age. Maybe one leg always pushes harder when standing up. This move corrects that. How to do it? Stand about 2 feet in front of a sturdy chair or bench. Rest the top of one foot on the surface behind you. Keep your other foot firmly planted. Lower your body slowly until your front thigh is parallel to the ground, then push back up through your heel. You'll feel this in your thighs, glutes, and core. It's a full lower body workout, plus, it's knee-friendly because it allows better form control. If you're just starting out, hold a wall or chair for balance. As you improve, add light dumbbells or water bottles for extra resistance. Over time, you'll notice everyday tasks, walking upstairs, standing up, or getting out of a car, feel much easier. It's a challenging move, but the benefits are worth it. Exercise 4. Stationary march. Now, let's keep things simple and gentle with the stationary march, one of the easiest and safest ways to boost strength and endurance at home. Just marching in place gets your heart pumping, improves balance, and activates your core and leg muscles, all without stressing your joints. How to do it? Stand tall, engage your core, and lift one knee at a time in a steady rhythm. Start slow, then gradually increase your pace or lift your knees higher as you get stronger. March for 30 seconds to 1 minute, then rest. Over time, aim for 5 to 10 minutes of continuous marching. This low-impact move improves blood circulation, cardiovascular health, and coordination, helping you stay mobile and energized all day long. You can even make it fun. March while watching TV or listening to your favorite music. Exercise 5. Farmer's Walk. Finally, we have one of the most practical and functional exercises of all, the Farmer's Walk. This movement mimics what farmers do daily, carrying heavy objects while walking. It might sound simple, but it's incredibly effective for full body strength and coordination. How to do it? Grab 2 equal weights, dumbbells, water jugs, or grocery bags. Stand tall with your shoulders back and core tight. Walk slowly and steadily in a straight line for 20 to 30 seconds. Rest and repeat for 2 or 3 rounds. Your legs, arms, shoulders, back, and core will all work together to keep you balanced and upright. It also strengthens your grip, which is crucial for independence as you age. For an added challenge, try carrying weight in one hand only. This forces your core to stabilize your body even more, improving balance and posture. The Farmer's Walk not only builds physical strength but also trains your body to move efficiently in daily life, whether it's carrying groceries, laundry, or lifting boxes. It's functional fitness at its best. These 5 simple exercises, glute bridge, calf raises, Bulgarian split squat, stationary march, and farmer's walk, are your blueprint for stronger legs and better balance after 50. Do them consistently, and you'll start noticing real changes. Walking feels easier, stairs feel lighter, and your confidence returns with every step. Strong legs don't just keep you moving, they keep you independent, active, and full of life. If you found this helpful, check out the video linked on your screen right now. It reveals a powerful supplement that supports muscle recovery and energy after 50. Only a small percentage of people know about it, but the results are incredible. Thank you so much for watching. Stay strong, stay healthy, and may God bless you always.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing health videos on Health Fact 10M.